If you want to smell like a s'more after you peeled off the burnt top layer, all that ooey gooey marshmallow underneath, with a hint of smoke, and then you poured vanilla extract all over it, you have to try Whipped Fluff by Mr. Sniffles, which is made by the Do It brand. And the wildest part, my 4-year-old has never told me something I was wearing smelled good, but he actually complimented me. I'm definitely going to get a full bottle, and if you're someone who likes marshmallow scents, you should definitely try this.